DAPU company, located in Hebei province of China, is engaged in designing, manufacturing, and exporting different types of wire mesh machines. We cooperated with our Italy and German partners to develop high-class machines for customers around the world. We have our own manufacturing plant and R&D department with advanced techniques. We can supply completed and professional after-sales service. Our engineers can go to your place for machine installation and workers' training. We can also supply installation videos, electrical drawings, manual instructions to help you install and operate the machines. We have a special after-sales group to help you solve the machine problems in the future. We have more than 20 years experience for machine exporting, can supply CE certificate, FTA certificate, Form E, Form F, machine passport. Your customs clearance will be no problem. We also cooperated with professional shipping companies and airlines, can send the machine directly to your country. We sincerely look forward to your cooperation and warmly welcome your arrival to build our beautiful future.